Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. Today I'm sharing with you all how to make Tom Brown. So currently I have washed my cereals and grains and I'm just going to dry it under the sun. So I'm spreading out my soya beans. It has to be dried before I go to the next step. So this is my maize also that I'm just pouring on my tin rubber where I'm doing the drying. The sun is scorchy and within some 20 to 30 minutes everything will be dried for me to go to the next step. I also have my millet here which I'm pouring down here so that it will also get dried. Please don't go away, watch to the end and you learn how to make this delicious porridge mix. I have this free time. My two kids have gone for Makaranta. Today is Saturday. I'm left with a small girl, so I have enough time to make this. By the time they will come back home, I'm done. So you can see I have my soya beans, roasted groundnuts, millet, rice, tiger nuts, some herrings, and my maize. I couldn't get the fresh peanuts, so I had to buy the roasted one. So in my pan, I just added my tiger nuts with the herrings and I'll just roast it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'll take it off from the roasting pan. Please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also share this video so that others can also benefit. So I'm now going to roast my soya beans and I'll repeat this process for the remaining products I have. All these grains and cereals have adequate amounts of carbohydrates and proteins. So combining all this together to make a porridge mix, you know, is going to be loaded with nutrients. So it is good that you watch and learn how to make this so that you save cost by not purchasing all the stuffs from the grocery shops. Where I stay, that is the northern part of Ghana, precisely Tamale, we call this Tom Brown or cereal mix as Zimbia because of the color of it. When you mix everything together and you mill it, you see the color will change to something like golden brown or yellow. We use it to make our porridges and they taste so good. Please, I'll be glad to see your comments in the comment section below. So now I have everything roasted in my beautiful tray, local tray. This is what our mothers use as their trays, but nowadays we have tried to move to the rubber trays, but these ones are so quality because when they fall down they don't break. So in a container, I'm just going to pour it into this, then I'll mix everything together. I wanted to send it to the grinding mill today, but unfortunately we have power outage in my area, so I'll keep it till the next day so that I'll go to the grinding mill to mill it. Please also check in the description box because I'll be listing all the cereals and grains used in this video in the description box. Now the other two are back from Makaranta. You can hear the background noise. I'm just happy that I was able to finish this before they got back home. Because when we are with them and we are cooking, we have to be extra careful because they always want to come closer to where the fire is. So I'm so happy I finished this before they came around. So this is my mix, cereals and grain mix. So this is the next morning, about 10:30 a.m. and at the grinding mill. I'm waiting for them to finish grinding this before I'll make one. So I'm done and I'm walking back. It's very hot, so I have to pour it in this large pan so that it will cool off before I pour it back into my container and then cover it with my lid. I'll be uploading a video on how to make Tom Brown porridge. It's good for babies too. It helps them in gaining weight. So I'm just trying to break the lumps in it so that every portion will get cooled off. If it doesn't cool and you put it in a tight container, the vapor will fall back into the container and it will lead to the formation of moles in your mix. So you have to let it cool completely before you package it. You can also leave comments as to what you like me to put up on this channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice time. Bye.